everybody, Nick here from Bundle IQ. Welcome back to another IQ demo. I'm going to show you how the Notion integration helps you connect the dots in your thinking. So what you're looking at here is my demo workspace for Notion. I've done some research on China supply chain and coffee in China, and this particular article I haven't read yet. However, what I want to show you is that the Bundle IQ integration helps you find and connect pages. So these are all different notes from the Bundle IQ workspace, but if I click on Notion, you'll see that there's a couple different notes here that show up in the green. So this is the actual note that we're reading, and then here's another note, or page rather, from Notion about Starbucks in China, and then some other pages here. So you can see from red all the way to green, how to make those connections really quickly without having to do any bidirectional linking. So if you wanted to, you could connect these two and they would be relevant. So we'll go ahead and click on this just so you can see what happens next. But basically, this is the most relevant page inside of this workspace as it relates to the previous page. Another thing you can do is, if you want, you can isolate content here. And if you wanted to see what another connection here, you just click Analyze, and then it pulls up that content. So you can see that this one and this one would be the second most relevant ones. All right, hope you enjoyed the demo. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the link below. Cheers.